Hi, I'm interviewing a few women in engineering. Would you mind answering a few questions?
Sure, no problem.
Tell me about yourself.
My name's Tori. I'm an applications engineer for the solenoid valve group.
And did you always know you wanted to go into this field?
I was not sure what I wanted to do, and then when I got into calculus and chemistry, that's when I figured out I wanted to do engineering.
Who would you say inspired you the most?
I had a chemistry teacher in high school who was a chemical engineer, and her career was exceptional, so it kind of inspired me, and she was a good role model as well.
What is your favorite part about working at the lead company?
I think it's understanding customer technical challenges and seeing it all the way through and helping them figure out what product is suitable for their system or what other challenge we can solve.
And if there was one message you could tell your younger self, what would it be?
Hang in there, you got this, and everything happens for a reason.
Well, thank you for answering questions.
No problem.